Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display log history of CRM stages. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module, then CRM stage life. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, create new lead, like a plastic product, add contact like a deco ID. Salesperson is the admin, sales team is the sales, set priority, and text is the services and information. Let's save and now convert to opportunity. Now convert into opportunity and display here in new stage and also display stage life history. Now display number, log number, it means created. To stage in new, in time, out time, from stage by admin to stage by admin, and day difference and time difference. Our created date is 2 days, so not display here day difference and time difference because it's converted to day. Now move into qualified stage. Let's save and display here log number 2, stage, also display time and stage by. Move into proposition. Now display log number 3 and display for form. Now go to stage life and also display here stage life of CRM stages, log number, opportunity, stages, timing, from stage by and to stage by. If our created lead date is passed, so display here day difference and time difference. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe.